Good morning guys, how are you? My last coffee talk video was actually very popular, so I decided to continue this series and take you guys away on a morning. And it is still Wellness Month, so I just wanted to share you guys what I've been trying lately and what I've been using, because while I was working on the Wellness Month, I was actually getting also more aware of everything I put inside of my body and everything I put on my body. So what I've been trying lately is very organic, cruelty-free, clean products. So without any parabens, without any like perfume and artificial elements. So this is a brand I have been trying, and this is Herb4. This is their facial oil, and especially now in the winter it feels really good. I just started using this lineup, so I will let you guys know soon how I liked it, but so far it is really nice. Your skin just feels like super soft and like fresh. And on top of this, I'm going to use the Pink Clouds by Herb4, and this is like a day cream, and it's a rose water day cream. And honestly, I'm obsessed with this package. Like, it is pink, like a pink cloud, and they also have like a night cream, which is like this color. It looks, besides the product feels really nice, it also just looks very nice in your bathroom cabinet. And there we go. So I'm gonna make some breakfast. Okay, so we're gonna make some breakfast. I'm wearing a super cozy Richia sweater.
Bye.
Hi.
Bye.
Bye. I have breakfast all alone today.
I know we have dinner tonight though.
I know. I know. Good luck.
I don't know where my keys are, by the way.
Okay, I have the keys.
You have keys?
I always have the keys. I never lose my stuff.
Last time I was drunk.
Okay. Okay, so I'm wearing Maria Pascal like jewelry. Look, it's super cute. The Richia cozy sweater and like redone black jeans. I don't even fit in there. Okay. So obviously, first thing we are gonna do is have a glass of water. Hydration first. Okay, and even though it is winter, a coffee I have been drinking lately a lot is cold brew. And some people might know what is cold brew, what is iced coffee, what is the difference, or what is not the difference. I was very confused for a long time. So iced coffee is literally just coffee poured over ice, and cold brew is a coffee brewed for a long time period, and the taste in the coffee is completely different. And I am very lucky because Max has been experimenting with different kind of cold brews, and I still have a little bit left. Yep. And normally you can get this at Starbucks, or you can just buy it in like in a bottle, but you can also make it at home. And I just want to show you guys quickly how we make this at home. Okay, so I bought some organic Sumatra coffee at Brooklyn Fair, just my local supermarket. I normally use 1 cup of beans for 4 cups of water, so pouring it in there. Here I have my cold brew machine. It's literally just like a plastic thing, and you can buy this on Amazon or anywhere else. I am going to grab my roasted beans. Oh, smells so good, and we're gonna put it in here. Then we're going to add the water. 4 cups of water in there. There we go. Make sure this is off. So basically the coffee is brewing here, and I normally make this the evening before, and then the next morning I just turn this button and okay, I should not show you guys. The coffee is dripping out here. And then you have some cold brew. It's so good, fresh homemade cold brew. Okay, I'm just gonna make quickly my breakfast right now. I think I'm going to make a smoothie because I'm not that hungry. I had quite a late dinner last night and drink a lot of bubble tea, so let's make a nice smoothie. So I always start with some frozen bananas, and I just freeze them in this little eco-friendly plastic bag. And this is a plastic bag which is reusable, so good for the environment. Then I'm going to add some frozen mangoes and some fresh kale. Hemp protein, this is actually a vegan protein. And my favorite almond butter from Trader Joe's. And I'm adding some almond milk, and voila, it's ready to go in the NutriBullet. And last but not least, I'm going to add my favorite homemade granola, which you guys have probably seen from my first food video. Yay, breakfast ready. Okay, so I got my smoothie, got my coffee, and something I have been trying out lately as well are these Care of vitamins. And these are just like a big pack in my cabinet, and I can just take one of these every morning. And look, it says, "Hey Sanne." So yeah, it's super easy to take in the morning, or even take it with me in the bag. So yeah, this is how I start my day. So honestly, this is just the best for me. When I'm at work or when I'm traveling, I never can really make my own breakfast. So when I'm at home and I have like an easy morning and I can make my own food, I just absolutely love it. And it's actually funny because a lot of people ask me like, yeah, why do you actually take vitamins if you eat that healthy? And the reason for that is sometimes when I'm traveling a lot, I don't really have as much control over my food when I'm in the kitchen. Like when I prepare everything myself, I know what I put in there. And when I'm traveling, obviously, you don't really know. So that's why I take often these like Care of vitamins with me. It's super easy in this package. And yeah, I get like the little boost I kind of need. So I did this like little quiz online. And after the quiz, Care of tells you which kind of vitamins you need. And that is something I like the most because, so yeah, taking vitamins you don't need, I think is very useless. So I have this one for iron, which gives me energy. I have a probiotic, which is good for my immune system, so when I'm traveling I don't get sick. But I do feel like everyone in New York now is getting sick, but I think it has to do with the weather, so I'm prepared. And then I have another one, which is ashwagandha, and that is like an Indian root. I never heard about it before, but it is an Indian root which regulates your stress level in your body, so also your mood. So I can definitely use that while it's like getting colder and like more wintry. And yeah, I just take these every morning with my breakfast. So yeah, like a package of that costs about $20 a month, but then you have like everything sorted out. You know exactly what you need, and it's just really easy to take with. And because it is a wellness month, the first 200 people who sign up on the Care of website with the code wellness get 25% off their first month. I'm gonna eat all. So yeah, so far wellness month, I hope you guys are enjoying all my videos, and I really hope that you guys learn something from this and feel inspired. So yeah, people ask me like, yeah, don't you never have cravings, or what do you eat on a cheat day, or how do you stay motivated? And about the motivation part, I will come back to that in another video. But about the food, that is something really easy. I mentioned this in an earlier video, and I really believe if you eat healthy, eat as much as you want, and you will stay in shape and on track. And the reason for this is when you are hungry, like when you don't eat enough, like you know the feeling, you get like kind of grumpy, you get like annoyed, and that is the moment your brain switch and you are grabbing like the bad food because you're hungry. So yeah, if you avoid that point and you always feel a little bit full, then you won't have those extreme cravings. And it's like, oh well, but then I eat so much. Try to eat healthy, eat a lot of vegetables, eat a lot of fruit, eat a lot of nuts, protein. And that way your body is still full and you won't crave any other things, but you still eat very healthy. And at this, it's just kind of like a mindset, because it feels at the beginning kind of weird, like, oh my god, I'm eating this like huge bowl of salad and another huge bowl of salad and another smoothie. But you will see that it's actually on long term very, very effective, and that is something what you want. You don't want to have like a short term diet. It is kind of like a long term lifestyle you are choosing for. Now I'm eating my breakfast bowl. This is actually a very funny example. I kind of noticed that when I was having a savory breakfast, I was less hungry during the day. So I looked it up and it made total sense afterwards. Because if you have a very sweet breakfast, which is nothing wrong with, I mean, I have sweet breakfast sometimes as well, like a smoothie with like a lot of granola and like peanut butter, everything. But your insulin in your body goes up and your brain and your body is craving even more sugar. So if you start the day with something savory, or for example, put a lot of vegetables in your smoothie, or start your day with eggs and avocado or a tofu scramble, you will feel that during the day you're craving less sugar. Yeah, this is just like a little tip. You can try it out. It might work for some people, it might not work for other people. For me it does, so I hope for you guys as well. This weekend my plans are going to be a lot of laundry once again. Well, I'm gonna go to Brooklyn after my breakfast and meet a friend of mine, have a chill weekend, maybe watch a movie. I actually went last weekend to A Star Is Born, the movie, and honestly I was so surprised. It was with Lady Gaga and Bradley Cooper, and it was really, really good. I did not expect that. So if you're still looking for a nice movie, then I would definitely recommend that. Anyway, I want to thank you guys for watching and joining me on this wellness journey. And if you are not subscribed yet, then hit the subscribe button and put your notifications on so you won't miss any updates, any videos. And yeah, then I will see you guys in my next video. Have a good week.